Hi there, this video is called Next Week's Very Extreme, Balmy, Mild October Weather Forecast UK 2022. For this video, this music, please my thumbs up. The place instance today with the upper global sea temperature, the west coast of Africa, and upper Pacific region, the North Pacific Ocean, upper global sea temperature, the North Atlantic, upper global sea temperature, the coast of Africa, upper global sea temperature, and the Gulf of Mexico, upper global sea temperature. Let's see what's going on today, guys. Wow, uniquely fascinating. Looks like we've got La Nina in the East Pacific region now, weak borderline, and the western part especially, which needs a very cold winter across northwestern Europe. It should do, and you've got very unusually above average hotter sea temperatures across the North Pacific Ocean, and above average hotter upper global sea temperatures across the North Atlantic Ocean. And the droppers are quite hot at the moment. We've got a hurricane Ian, major hurricane Ian hitting Florida right this minute. This is quite dangerous weather, guys. And we've got another tropical storm going towards perhaps potentially the Resort Islands or Canary Islands towards Europe in the next 3 to 4 or 5 days' time. It's all to play for, guys. That's the upper global sea temperature forecast. This is the American 12 said weather forecast for the future across the UK. And your eyes are not mistaken, you have got a low pressure system bringing some rain and disturbed weather with southwesterly winds there on the 12th of October across the UK, and we are alert south of the jet stream there, so we're in the cold air. Right, we're going from here, we're south of the jet stream again, we've got cold air now, northeasterly winds, and we're quite stormy weather coming in there Thursday and Friday, and the winds go to the northwesterly there, and then they go down to southwest again. We've got high pressure coming from the Azores up here, guys. Then we've got low pressure coming from the northwest of the UK, and that looks like that was the one we saw a few minutes ago. Earlier, so yeah, it looks like it's going to disturb and very wild weather for the future across the UK, quite disturbed and very well. And you've got high pressure building over Greenland, which is non-blocking, which is fascinating, guys. And you've got low pressure to the south, so it's all to play for, guys, for the future. That's the 12 American said prediction forecast. Yeah, folks. This is the upper air temperature for Woking Town local today. We are looking at the standard range here. So we're talking about the red line being the 30 average line across Woking Town with the upper air temperature. That's where the temperature should be. Right now, where the temperature is going, and it is below average at the moment, very below average, and it's going up above average. We get towards the you name it, the 5th, 6th October. Burn down it goes again. After being hot, it gets below average temperature, goes towards the 13th October, then it goes up above it, and then it goes down below it. So the sun's relating the temperature, the upper air temperature, and you talk about some spikes of rain down here, rainfall spikes. It might be under showers, but it might be dry spells as well in between there. It's going to vary. Woking Town. This is the same thing here again. This is the upper air temperature viewed in Cornwall, and same idea here. Red line's the 30 average line, white line's the temperature going, and it's below. Then it burns up again, and it gets up to about 10 point, and then it goes down below it as you get towards you name it, guys. The 10th of October. So yeah, it's all to play for the future across the UK in October when it comes to the weather in Cornwall viewed. This is short range forecast, that is. And this is the weather forecast of talking about northwesterly wind. So, lovely for instance, day. It's better than yesterday's weather, which was not for the forecast very well in the Met Office. And you can see there, guys, talking about it insane on Thursday. It might be some showers on Thursday. It's Woking Town. Like very wet weather, disturbed weather is going to Friday night into the future across Woking Town. And you can see there southwesterly winds there, and it's a disturbed weekend. Saturday and then Sunday's a better day. At the moment, this weather forecast is to change. You see the temperatures going up quite mild, 19 Celsius above average, 18 should be 16 Celsius, and then it starts to cool down, and that's average around about the middle part of October across Woking Town locally. And you can see here, this is the Arctic oscillation. The Arctic oscillation, when it's sort of being down here negative, that means you've got high pressure over Greenland, which is looking likely, and you've got low pressure over the UK, which is looking very likely. So it's slightly negative. And same with the you name it, the North Atlantic oscillation after the Arctic oscillation. They're both in agreement, the same idea. That's going slightly up a bit higher, but they're more or less the same. And this is the Hurricane Ian. You can see here, this is major Hurricane Ian hitting towards Florida right now, the USA of America. This is pretty brutal because the speed of that wind, it's about storm surge, probably about 10, 20 feet high waves. This is pretty dangerous, pretty brutal. And this is what's predicted. Wind speed. You can see their wind speed there. You name it. That's where it's going. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel on Sun Gems and the force speed with yours. Quite that's what you need to the me. Outweigh. I don't want to take care of it.